Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Tamika Lynn. If you are new here, welcome to you. And if you're returning, I do appreciate the support. So about 2 weeks ago, I showed you guys the unboxing of my newest bag, the LV x Murakami Soft Speedy 30. In that video, I talked about, the pre-order process, waiting to receive it, and then finally receiving it. And then I did my big reveal. If you did not catch that video, I will link it above. Go back and watch that video. It was quite entertaining. I also just want to thank those that have watched it. We talked a lot in the comments, so I do appreciate all that engagement. I enjoyed conversing with you guys about this bag, hearing some of your thoughts. I truly appreciate that. So thank you guys so very much. That was definitely a fun video for me and an exciting one. So today's video is a follow-up to that one. Today we are going to talk about my initial first impressions, and I'm going to do a quick what fits. The items that I probably will end up carrying in this bag. The bag is pretty hefty, so I think I could fit like everything I want with no problem. So if that's something that interests you, stick around. Before we get into the video, guys, let me just show you guys the bag that I'm carrying today. I've actually been carrying it for a few days now. It started raining, so I swapped out to this bag and I've had it ever since. This is the beautiful NeoNoe, and this is in the monogram with the black leather. I did go over this bag during Vlogmas. I've had it for several years, and then I ended up having it replaced free of charge by Louis Vuitton. And I talk about that when I did the review of this bag as part of Vlogmas. So I will link that video above if you haven't caught that. But this is actually one of my favorite bags. This strap I got off of Amazon. The newer NeoNoes. Blah, blah, blah. The newer ones do come with an extra top handle, but when this bag was first released, it did not. So I did purchase this, on Amazon. So yeah, that's my bag of the day. Now, let's get into what we're here for. So just a quick overview of the bag. So this is the size 30, and this is the Soft Speedy. So new concept by Louis Vuitton. Go back and watch my unboxing video. I kind of go over it a bit. But on the front of the bag, it does have this pochette with the lock. I did go ahead and attach the lock. The lock came with 2 keys. And I usually, just keep the keys somewhere, right? But I'll probably keep this affixed to the bag. The bag does have a strap, a top handle strap right here that you can place over the shoulder. Again, new design for Louis Vuitton. And then the regular top handles that come with the Speedy. Now, this bag does have the ring, so it's more like a bandolier, right? Because you can carry it over the shoulder. The inside of the bag is fully leather lined, and that was probably one of my most interesting selling points of this bag. I thought that was a very neat concept. The leather itself, it smells like leather. There's like a strong smell. I don't know, maybe after I start carrying the bag a little bit more, that smell will kind of ease a bit, but it's a very strong smell. And I don't know, it's not that it stinks, but it's just a very loud leather smell, like extremely loud. So I don't know if it was part of the production or what, but that's probably my only qualm when it comes to this bag. As far as the smell of the bag, and then the other one would be that this new shoulder strap, I wish Louis Vuitton would have released it with an additional longer strap. Because while this strap is very cute, I feel like you could have improved the design a bit if there was a longer strap that came with the bag. Now, I do have another bag in my collection that's black with silver hardware. I meant to pull out that bag before this video and get that strap, but I'm gonna play with it off camera, and maybe I'll make a short about it or something. But I think that strap may work to where I could carry this bag crossbody if I wanted to. But because of the size of the bag, I'm not sure I would want to carry it crossbody. It will probably definitely be either a top handle or in the crook of my arm like this. Now, because this bag is so big, I feel like I can get any and everything that I want to carry in this bag. I did purchase the wallet. I was able to add the wallet after I did my initial pre-order, and this is the Clement's wallet, and it's the exact same as the bag except it has the smaller Louis Vuitton, motifs on it. Still silver hardware. So the first thing I would definitely carry would be this wallet. Now, since this wallet is a long wallet, it will fit absolutely everything I need. This wallet has 8 card slots, 4 on each side. It has some slip pockets. It has a zipper that will hold coins if you're still a person like me that carries coins. But I can definitely get all of my cards in this wallet. Now, if I had a fear that this wallet might not hold all of my cards, I would probably carry an extra card holder, which I will show you guys as a possible option, but I think this will do it for me. So the first thing I'm gonna do is insert the wallet. Since I have the room, I would also opt to carry a cosmetic pouch. So this was from the Remix denim release last year. I don't have any cosmetics in it. I just have it stuffed with like some LV dust bags, but I can definitely use this for either a catch-all, cosmetics, like if I wanted to take makeup or something with me, some brushes, eyeliner, mascara, etc., that type of stuff. So I could definitely use this with no problem. So I'll insert the cosmetic pouch. And then my tried and true ride or die toiletry 15. Now this is like my catch-all that I use on a daily basis. So lotion, sanitizer, lipstick, lip gloss, medicine, those type of things. I always carry some type of small pochette, whether it's the toiletry 15 or like a mini pochette. So I would definitely take this with me because it goes everywhere that I go if I'm carrying a big enough purse. Then, as I said, if you needed it, like say my long wallet wasn't enough and I needed a card holder, I would, insert another card holder in the wallet. Not sure that I would actually need this, but if I did, it's another option because the purse is big enough to hold it. Now, the purse does have a slip pocket on this side. So if I was carrying a small little wallet like this, I would probably use the slip pocket right here just for ease of access. Now, another option as a catch-all would be a Kirigami pouch. Now, this is the medium size in a Kirigami pouch, and I absolutely love the colorway of this collection. I want to say this was called, I don't even want to mess it up, I'll put it on the screen, but I absolutely love this colorway. When I travel, I usually keep passports in here, but if I was like on a daily basis, I would probably use it as some type of catch-all to hold something, receipts, something, gift cards, I mean, a whole plethora of things. So I could definitely get away with carrying this as well because like I said, this is a big bag, and I don't think it would be too heavy with the items that I'm choosing. Now, one of the last items I would carry would be my AirPods. Now this is the Hermes Bastia. It's a little, I usually keep coins in here, but I am today using it for my AirPods. So I would keep something with my AirPods, and I would also probably put it in this little slip pocket over here for easy access because I use my AirPods a lot when I'm out and about. Very last thing is I would include some type of sunglasses or shades. Now, all of the shades that I've purchased from Louis Vuitton, they came in a box similar to this. So I'm not sure if all shades, all, collections, men versus women, not sure, but what I have is these boxes right here. Now, normally I don't carry this box. I like these little shade or sunglass holders. They're usually, I don't have a pair of down here with me and I don't feel like going upstairs, but I normally slip my shades into some type of other smaller item. I'll see if I can find a picture and I'll insert it. But with the size of this purse, I could actually get away with carrying, the Louis Vuitton, shade sunglass holder that, the shades come in and then the shades go in a dust bag into this box. So this purse is actually big enough that I could protect my shades. And that would probably be, the gist of what I'm carrying. The bag is not too big. I think it's still a adequate size or adequate weight, but if it did get heavy, I could, of course, remove some items. Now, the only other thing that I do plan on doing is I do want to purchase an organizer. Not so much for the shape, because I want the bag to be slouchy, because this is a very soft, squishy bag. I want the bag to still be slouchy, but because the interior is so dark, I just want like an organizer just to give like that pop of color when I'm looking for my items in the bag. So I'll probably pick a bright, fun color. I mean, these, 33 colors on the front of the bag, I can definitely have my choice of options, but I'll insert some possible options I've been looking at. I just haven't pulled the trigger yet because I'm still researching, and it hasn't been like that high on my priority list these last 2 weeks. Your girl has been in the gym. I've been busy. So I plan to at some point definitely order an organizer, probably a silk one, but I'll insert some photos so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now, the very last thing, I do want to show you guys what the bag looked like, or what the items look like in the bag. So let me just show you that. So as you can see, I have all of the items I told you guys about. Here's the 2 little items I put in the slip pocket, but everything fits very, very well, and there's still a ton of space. This bag could be full to the brim, honestly, if you wanted to, but I don't plan on utilizing it like that because that would make the bag extremely heavy. It is leather lined, so that definitely adds some weight to it. But I think the options I've picked are some really good options. So guys, that does it for this video. If you've enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up and let's talk down below. Let me know what you think about the items I've picked, or if you have a 30 in your collection, or a purse of similar size by any brand. Let me know the type of things that you guys are carrying these days. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have not done so already, hit that subscribe button down below so we could be friends. It is absolutely free for us to be friends. So hit that subscribe button. While you're at it, hit the bell notification so that you're aware each and every time I upload a new video. I thank you guys for joining me today, and until next time, be safe.